Hi, Pre-K at Rondo friends. Remember, I'm Miss Jessica. Sometimes you might see me around Pre-K at Rondo. I'm back to read you another story today, and if you notice, do you hear my quiet music? My book today is about yoga, and sometimes when I'm doing yoga poses, I like to have a little quiet music, so I put some on for you today. My story today is called You Are a Lion and Other Fun Yoga Poses by Taeyeon Yoo. You are a lion and other fun yoga poses. When the golden sun rises, warm rays fill the garden. Children all gather. Namaste to the morning. Now this part, you can do some of the things that the kids are doing in the book if you want. Sit on your heels. Hands on your knees. Tongue out. You are a lion, king of the jungle, roaring so loud, make the woods rumble. Sit with feet together. Hold on to toes, legs flap. You are a butterfly. Spread your bright wings, flutter and fly as the breeze sings. Stand with feet flat. Bend and touch the ground. Bottoms up. You are a dog. Stretch in the sun. Bark at your friend. Ready for fun. Lie on your stomach. Hands next to shoulders. Push up. You are a snake. In the cool grass, slither and glide. Make a big hiss. Squat on your feet. Hands on the ground. Hop up. You are a frog. Ribbit your song. Leap in the pond all the day long. Kneel on hands and knees. Head down, back up. You are a cat. Frisky at night, mew to the moon. Play till it's light. Stand, feet apart, palms together. Reach high. You are a mountain. Soaring up high, solid and mighty, touching the sky. Lie down and be still. Slowly breathe in the garden. Relax in the silence. Namaste to each other. Thanks for reading with me today, Pre-K. Bye.